With decades of deep-rooted manufacturing expertise, we seamlessly integrated with digital innovation. LG CNS is shaping the future of smart manufacturing, powered by our integrated ICT platform Factova. We deliver true end-to-end solutions from R&D to production and beyond. The limitations of experience-driven factory design are clear. Amid countless variables, even a small error can lead to unexpected operational inefficiencies. A powerful digital twin-based logistics simulation solution, Factova Logistics Simulation solves this challenge. It automatically designs optimal layouts based on process flows, designs material flows to eliminate potential bottlenecks in advance, and even optimizes work-in-progress storage locations. How is this possible? In an intuitive canvas environment, simply input your process data and layout simulations run instantly. With pre-built libraries, anyone can easily design processes and automatically generate multiple layout scenarios. Through optimized design and process layouts, we reduce operational cost, maximize space efficiency, and minimize production lead times. A smarter way to design factories across diverse manufacturing environments. Factova Logistics Simulation delivers true optimization. Implementing an MES is no simple task. It demands extensive preparation and effort across processes, people, and resources. There is a way to reduce this complexity and achieve a rapid operational transition to a smart factory. Factova MES makes it possible. With over 30 years of proven experience and success across diverse manufacturing industries, Factova MES provides industry-standard processes. By starting with our proven methodologies, you can minimize trial and error and deployment risks. Our guided setup enables fast implementation and stable operations. Factova MES integrates various systems and solutions to deliver the data you need in the format you want. Leading global enterprises are already achieving remarkable results through Factova MES. Reduced defect rates, improved productivity, and decreased downtime. With proven processes, achieve stable production process optimization. Get started today with Factova MES. In manufacturing, diverse machines from multiple vendors speak different languages. This fragmentation delays real-time control and complicates analysis and forecasting. Connecting isolated data and standardizing it into a single language. This is Factova Control. Factova Control reliably collects and integrates data from heterogeneous, multi-vendor equipment. Collected raw data is converted into standardized formats and seamlessly integrated in real time with upper-level host systems such as MES or QMS. Through visualization-based monitoring, users gain a real-time comprehensive view of every moment on the manufacturing floor. Based on these insights, they can control equipment, maintain product quality, and maximize operational efficiency. Taking it a step further, Factova Control leverages machine learning and LLMs to interpret data and enable predictive capabilities. Even now, over 100,000 devices are connected through Factova Control, communicating to shape the future of manufacturing. Real-time equipment intelligence. Powered by Factova Control. Different industries, same challenges. Minor variations in the process lead to quality degradation, and defects result in cost losses. Responses rely on human experience, creating inconsistency. Factova FDC, SPC, and OCAP solve this challenge. Factova Quality Management leaves no gaps, from early warning to corrective action. It monitors process conditions in real time and responds instantly to anomalies, enabling zero-defect manufacturing. Factova FDC collects equipment and process data in real time, providing precise visibility into equipment status. Based on this, it shortens anomaly detection time, prevents equipment failures in advance, and improves process stability. Factova SPC collects inspection and metrology data from various equipment in real time and manages it statistically. It enables rapid detection of anomaly signs before defects occur, supporting timely response. The lack of standardized responses to process anomalies increases reliance on personnel and leads to reduced operational efficiency. Factova OCAP is built on predefined standardized procedures, guiding operators step by step to execute the required actions in sequence. As a result, even less experienced operators can perform consistent and rapid responses. Factova seamlessly completes quality management, from anomaly detection to root cause analysis and corrective action. With the addition of AI capabilities, it enables faster, more accurate understanding of data and makes it easier to turn insights into action. Many companies are achieving ultra-precise yield management at semiconductor-level standards with LG CNS Factova. With a differentiated quality management system, achieve real-time anomaly detection and control. Inspection accuracy determines quality, but inspections that rely on the human eye vary with operator experience and skill, and even small differences in criteria ultimately lead to differences in quality. Factova AI Vision solves this challenge. Factova AI Vision Inspection detects even the smallest defects with precision by integrating sensors, optics, mechanics, and software. It captures the images required for inspection and leverages AI and deep learning technologies to deliver fast and accurate analysis. Built on a proven AI platform, it provides solutions optimized for each customer environment. With high detection accuracy and stability, and rapid adaptability to product changes. This enables companies to reduce labor costs and secure a competitive edge through differentiated quality. Enhanced reliability through AI Vision Inspection, powered by Factova AI Vision. LG CNS is a leading AX company empowering manufacturers. LG CNS, leveraging its global production network, is leading the smart factory transformation for manufacturing enterprises, driving real change on the ground and delivering measurable business outcomes. AI-powered smart factories. LG CNS will be with you every step of the way.